Hello friends, welcome to Technique. As you can see, today I have got this LS2208 scanner, 1D barcode wired scanner from Symbol. Symbol was the previous owner, then Motorola, then Zebra. As I have been mentioning in my previous videos that these are the brands now owned by Zebra Technology. So don't get confused because these are the same company's product now. And LS2208 scanner is one of the most popular scanner and widely used wired scanner, particularly in the retail stores. You will be finding this. Even logistic people are using this scanner, logistic and courier people, because it has some strength, or the quality of the scan engine of this scanner is very good. Because of that reason, people are trusting this scanner, and I particularly have seen at various places that this scanner has been in use for more than 5 years, though it comes with 5 years warranty from the manufacturer. There is Zebra Technologies, but it still works very effectively and there isn't any complaint as such. So here we are talking about this scanner. This scanner is built in a very proper way, very strong way, rugged way you can say, and it is very much handy. You have to just take this and press this trigger. The beam you can see on the cable here. The beam is very much clear. And I have connected that cable, one end on the handle of this scanner and other in the USB port of the system. Now I would be scanning some of the barcodes. Some barcodes are very dense, like this one. See the speed of this scanner, very quick, and this is the dense barcode, and the distance of this scanning is also very awesome. See how far I'm going from here. It scans up to 17 inches as mentioned by Zebra Technologies. I think I'm going beyond that, but still it is reading that dense barcode. Let's try with some of those. Very quick. Very quick. Let's try some glossy surfaces there. Reading very fast. Some other two. The small one again, something dense. Very quick. This is a small barcode, but the scanner is scanning it very quickly. As you can see on the screen, it is happening, and with the beep you can recognize how fast this scanner is. Also, it has various qualities. Just not the scan engine, it has got many things with it. In the quick guide which comes along with this scanner box, you would be finding various kind of configurations, and you can go through that quick guide. The quick guide, I will show you how the quick guide is. The quick guide is here. This is the quick guide. Just go through this quick guide. You would be able to find as how you want this scanner to work and how you can make it as per your requirement. It is going to be very convenient for you, and very convenient scanner this is. In the Indian market, you would be finding it in the price range between 4,900 to somewhere around 6,500, including all taxes, I guess. And this scanner is also very rugged. If it drops, don't worry. It is expected to handle multiple drops that may happen at your scanning point, I mean the point of sale, or at any desk of yours. If it falls, then don't worry, this will work effectively after the drops. And if you have any query regarding this scanner, please feel free to put it on the comment box, and I would request you people to please subscribe our channel. And to buy this scanner at the cheapest price, you can visit this website called cartcur.com, cartcur.com, and you would be able to find various kind of offers on this scanner. Along with the stand also, you would be able to find in the stand. What we do, we place it on the stand like this, and whenever you will be inserting any barcode, it would be automatically detecting. And before that, you have to set it through the user guide. You have to set it on the automatic recognition mode. After that, you would be able to find it is scanning the barcodes whenever any barcode comes in sight of this scanner. So this is all from LS2208, and we would be coming with more videos soon. So thanks for watching. Keep subscribing our channel. That would give us encouragement to do such kind of more demos in the future course. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.